time, let us proceed by subtracting binomials using vertical method. So, same rules kung ano yung sa addition. May konting pagbabago lang dito. Rule number 1 or step 1. Write the binomials one below the other, aligning like terms. Okay, una daw isulat natin yung first binomial. Okay, at yung pangalawang binomial isulat sa baba. Na kailangan daw naka-align yung similar terms. Step 2, ito po yung pagbabago. Change the sign of the second binomial or the subtrahend or just simply apply cha-cha. What is cha-cha? First cha. Change the operation to addition. Second cha. Change the sign of the subtrahend, which is yung pangalawang binomial yon. Then number 3, combine the like terms by adding their coefficient. So meaning, proceed na tayo sa addition of integers kasi nag-cha-cha tayo. Then step 4, write the result below the line. Okay, this time let us answer this. Okay, first we have 5x plus 6, okay, minus. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to align the similar terms of the given second binomial. So, ang similar ni 5 ay si 6. So, i-align natin yan dito. Then, ang similar ni 3x ay si 5x. Okay, let us analyze the given binomial. Okay, do you think we can easily subtract 6 kay 5? Pwede na bang i-minus agad? Yung 6, bawasan ng 5. Okay, pwede po, tama ba? At tingnan natin yung first term kung pwede rin. Si 5, bawasan agad ng 3. Pwede ba? Kapag ganyan ang expression, ibig sabihin hindi ka mag-cha-cha-cha. Kasi parang ordinary ano lang yan, anak. O, 5 minus 3. 2. O, that's it. Nag-cha-cha ka ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag parehas positive at mas malaki yung minuend, yung nasa taas, kaysa sa subtrahend, hindi ka na mag-cha-cha-cha, direct agad. Kailan lang po nag-cha-cha-cha? Halimbawa, 3 minus 5. Yan. Ito yung 3. Babawasan mo ng 5. Pwede ba? Kaya nag-cha-cha tayo. Mag-cha-cha-cha tayo dyan. Nagets na po. So, since dito, pwede natin ibawas agad, no need to apply cha-cha. Proceed ka na agad sa subtraction. 6 minus 5. 1. Then 5 minus 3. 2. Copy the literal coefficient, then copy the sign of the two numbers. Oh, that's it. Now, what if the given binomial is like this? Ito na yung sinasabi ko. May mga negative sign na. Okay, step 1, same procedure. Tanggalin natin yung parenthesis nung unang binomial. Ano yung unang binomial, anak? Ano po yung unang binomial? 7, 8 cubed, minus 8. O, ima-minus down natin. Saan po? Sa negative 2a cubed plus 5. Nakaalala na ba yung similar terms? Parehas constant? Parehas may a cubed? Meaning similar terms po sila. Okay, now, negative 8 minus positive 5. Pwede na ba agad i-direct i-minus? Yes or no? Negative 8. Anak, ang 8 ay negative. Ma-minusan mo pa ng 5. Pwede po ba? O, apply cha-cha na. What is cha-cha? First cha. Change the operation to addition. And second cha, change the sign of the subtrahend. Ano yung subtrahend? Ito yung nasa baba. Lahat yan babaguhin natin. Yung negative 2 magiging positive 2. Yung positive 5 magiging negative 5 na yan. Oh, that is cha-cha. Then after that, proceed to addition of integers. Negative 8 plus negative 5. Same and like. Same. Add or subtract? Add. 8 plus 5. 13. What is the sign of the two numbers? Negative. O, proceed na tayo dito. 7 plus positive 2. Okay, very good. 9. Then copy the literal coefficient a cubed. Therefore, this is the answer. For example, may negative sign po bang nakita sa second binomial? Dito po, may negative sign na po ba? If yes, apply cha-cha na agad tayo. First, copy the first binomial. What is the first binomial? 7h plus 3g. First cha, change the operation to addition. Then, second cha, change the sign of the subtrahend. Anong sign ni 4? Positive, magiging negative. Anong sign ni G? Magiging positive. Okay, then after that, simplify. 3 plus 1. 4. Then copy G. Same sign, copy the sign of the two numbers. Next, 7 plus negative 4. Same sign on like. Add or subtract? Okay, 7 minus 4. 3. Then copy the literal coefficient. Now, what is the sign of 3? Positive. Kasi si 7 ay positive. So, copy the sign of the bigger number. Therefore, this is the answer. 3H plus 4G.